Welcome to this in-depth review of the NatWest Credit Card, where we'll explore everything you need to know about its features, costs, and services. If you're new to credit cards, don't worry. We'll keep things simple and to the point. This video will help you decide if the NatWest Credit Card is a good fit for your financial goals. Let's start with a quick overview of the card. The NatWest Credit Card is popular in the UK for its simplicity and straightforward benefits. It offers no annual fee, which is a huge plus for those who want a card without additional upfront costs. One of the standout features of this card is its balance transfer offer, allowing you to transfer existing debt to this card at a 0% interest rate for a specified period, usually up to 18 months. This can be very useful if you're looking to pay off debts without accumulating interest. However, as with any credit card, there are some things you need to watch out for. After the 0% interest period, the interest rates can go up, sometimes as high as 21.9% APR, which means any unpaid balances will start to accrue interest quickly. It's important to clear your balance within that 0% period to avoid hefty interest charges. Additionally, there are late payment fees and foreign transaction fees if you use the card abroad. So keep an eye on how and where you use it.I in terms of rewards. The NatWest Credit Card isn't as strong as some others in the market. While it doesn't offer cashback or travel rewards, it's a solid choice for those looking for a basic card to manage their finances or pay down debt. There's also a relatively low credit limit to start with, but as you use the card responsibly, NatWest may increase your credit limit over time. If you frequently use contactless payments, you'll be happy to know the NatWest Credit Card supports both Apple Pay and Google Pay, making it easy to use with your smartphone. The mobile app provided by NatWest is user-friendly, allowing you to track spending, set budgets, and even freeze your card if it gets lost or stolen. These features make it convenient for users who want to keep a close eye on their spending. One thing to be cautious of is the cash advance fee. Taking out cash with this card incurs an immediate fee and a higher interest rate, which can add up quickly. If you plan on using a credit card for cash, this might not be the best option. Overall, the NatWest Credit Card is a solid, no-frills option for those who want to manage debt or make everyday purchases. It's especially appealing if you can take advantage of the 0% balance transfer offer. But remember to pay off your balance before the interest rates jump. The lack of rewards might be a downside for some, but if you're looking for a simple, fee-free card, NatWest could be a good choice. If this review helped you understand whether the NatWest Credit Card is right for you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest financial reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our next video.